Wengie, and Squishy Hugs. So I've been seeing a bunch of squishy makeover videos from Moriah Elizabeth and I've been obsessed. And I don't know if you know guys, but I actually love squishies and I got a ton of squishies for a secret challenge. And somehow, during this collection of squishies, I found some interesting ones. Who designed these? Why did they make these? I mean, hey, you guys may find it cute. I personally don't find them cute, so I thought, why not make them over? Let's jump into it. Let's go. Alright, so this squishy, I mean, I just gotta be real here and say it looks kind of weird. I don't know what happened, but it's kind of ripped here, so I think we gotta fix that. And also, don't know why, but this bit is a bit damaged right here. These little ridges, it shouldn't be sticking out that much. I don't know whether you guys think this is cute, but I think it's kind of ugly. And you know what? I got the idea to transform it into maybe like a teddy bear. Because look, if you just cover those eyes, it's actually got a cute face. So we're gonna start off by cleaning up the edges. I don't know, man, when you buy something online, I expect it to be nice and finished, but what can you say, I was being cheap. Alright guys, so I snipped as much of the excess little bits as I could. There's still some left, but I think we can cover it with paint. So this squishy should only have one mouth. This is my second mouth. Alright, we got some glue on the toothpick. Put this in the rip and this should seal it right back up. See, how cute is it without these weird frog eyes? What is that? So I want to make brown. We're gonna try with these combinations. Start off with the red because I feel like brown predominantly has red. Then I'm gonna add some yellow. Ah, it's stuck. Ooh. Is that enough? Looks like mustard and ketchup. I'm gonna mix it right now. I wonder what color I've created. Have I created a monster? Too much red, guys. I overestimated the red. I don't want to run out of this color, so my excuse is I'm trying to make a lot of brown. Yeah, we're kind of getting there. Oh, that looks about right. I think I want it a bit lighter though, so maybe we'll go some white. Okay, I think we got there, guys. In the end, I added a whole ton of green, and I think we got a good brown. This is like a bear brown.
And we're just gonna paint and get rid of this eyes. Keep staring at me weird. Goodbye. How do they make this look good? I feel like I'm like putting it on and then taking it off at the same time with this paddle pop stick. It's times like this when I'm like, don't know if I'm an artiste. So literally this looks like I've melted a block of chocolate on top of a frog.
So using the paddle pop stick to paint on the squishy was a little bit uneven, so I decided to try again with a paintbrush. Well, this is actually a makeup brush because the bristles are actually softer, so I thought that it wouldn't scratch off the paint as much. And this is my second coat right now, and I think it's looking good, so I'm gonna switch over to this method. This is the fourth coat. We are almost there, guys. Face is almost disappeared. One more coat. I think we're done. The last coat. You can still see a tiny bit of indent, but I'm going to be painting over these. These are perfect inner ears, guys. So we're going to go with a darker brown for the inner ear. So I'm just taking a corner of this brown and mix a bit of black to it. I'm pretty happy with this brown. It almost looks like a dark coffee brown. So let's get painting. The indent actually helps guide me with the colors. It makes it easier. So can we just appreciate how much smoother this version of my bear was? Let's have a look at what it used to look like when I did it with the paddle pop stick. I'm so glad we used the paintbrush instead. So for the mouth area, I'm going with a light brown. So let's use some more of this, add some white to it. I'm so nervous. Here goes nothing. There's no turning back. So I couldn't get rid of the little nubbin, so it's now the nose. So I'm gonna add some sprinkles onto my donut. Hardest part is making these sprinkles look random. So you can actually stick on real sprinkles onto wet puffy paint, but I like the color of the original donut, so I'm just gonna go with this. Ta-da! Alright, it's time for the moment. Okay, tiny eyes, guys. Oh guys, this is the most nervous part. I gotta get his mouth with this toothpick. He's a sad bear. Alright guys, we are finally done. Alright guys, this is the final product. It looks so different. I think this looks like the lion bear. I don't know if you have seen the lion bear, but I kind of based it on him. He's a cute little teddy bear. Look at his lost face. He looks really dopey. Like, what's going on, guys? It turned out pretty smooth. Very proud of myself. So this is what we're working with. Yeah, do I even need to say anything about this? Because to me, this face is so creepy. Comment down below if you can actually name this, but I can't, so we're gonna fix it. There's a lot of fixing to do. So I think the closest thing I can think about is probably like a Jigglypuff. So I'm gonna try and turn this creepy weirdo into a Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff, Jiggly. Creepy. So apart from the actual design of the squishy, there's nothing wrong with it. Still very, thanks for that. Still very squishy, no breaks, no nothing. So originally I was gonna cut the nose off, but then I realized it's perfectly symmetrical and the front and the back is kind of the same. So I'm just gonna draw Jigglypuff's face on the back. Other than that, there's like a little few bits here that I can just quickly snip off and clean up a bit. So we have a pink for Jigglypuff, but I think it's like a lighter pink. So we can go with these two colors. We need a lot. This squishy is fat. Oh, I know. Let's do poop. Time to mix. Goodbye. Why is that so satisfying? So the first coat always doesn't do much, but I kind of feel like after the first coat, it gives it a bit of grip so that the next layers make a bigger difference. So we're just gonna make sure every area is just covered so we've got a bit of grip for the next layer. Alright, this is kind of unsatisfying because I haven't covered anything, but we're gonna dry one side before moving to the next side. So now this side is dry, I'm gonna turn him around and paint the other side. Yep, we're gonna be here for a while. Alright guys, I think we're getting somewhere. But these hooves, actually very satisfying painting round things. So the face is finally covered, yay! I think it took about 1 billion coats, but we're gonna use the other side to draw Jigglypuff on because it's just cleaner. So Jigglypuff has these two big eyes, so we're gonna start with the white face. I never realized how big Jigglypuff's eyes were. This is a workout. Yep, I got a crazy Jigglypuff on my hand. After I drew the shape, I ended up just going in with a brush, and I think I'm just gonna do a couple of layers so that it just looks good. We're almost there. Green time. I'm gonna create this ombre effect. Alright guys, first layer of the eyes are done. I feel like we're getting there. Whew, second eye is done. I think I did an alright job. Time to dry. Second coat. We want a brighter eye down here. I just gotta say though, I'm impressed how exact this green color is. I didn't even have to mix it. We're almost done. I'm gonna fill in the ears. Jigglypuff has some black triangular ears. You know what? I got a secret weapon. It's called cleaning up the edges with a cotton bud. Look, we've got ears. Alright guys, after the second coat on the ears, we are done. It's time for the final touches, the mouth and the shiny eyes. For the mouth, we're gonna mix a bit of the pink with a touch of red. Touch, right here. So I decided to go in with this tool. This Jigglypuff is happy! And the final touch is just the eyes. Right here. Ta-da! Jigglypuff! And we're done! Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff. Pow! Alright guys, check it out. It is Jigglypuff! I reckon she turned out so good. Like, look at her eyes. Look at this gradient. Guys, I am like so proud of this gradient. I literally talked about it for like an hour and Max was like, stop talking about the gradient. Okay, the only thing missing is Jigglypuff's hair. So let's just say we gave her like a bit of a haircut. Like, we actually shaved her like front hair. And guys, even if it's not perfect, it's like a million times improvement on what we had before. Couldn't even give that a name. Speaking of puff, it looks like it's gonna explode when I squish it. It is like little so puffy. Oh wow, look, it's wrinkly. Jigglypuff got wrinkly. We'll wait for it to expand again. Jigglypuff, did you just age 30 years? Huge announcement, guys. You guys know how much I love slime. So I wanted to create a channel where I could put all my DIY slime ideas in one place. And so I've created that. It's linked down below. Don't forget to check it out and subscribe. If you guys want more slime, it is there. And the channel is called How to Slime. Check it out, guys. So I'm super proud of my makeover, guys. This is the first time I did this and I didn't even know I could pull this off. Let me know which one was your favorite, Jigglypuff or little teddy bear down below. Feel free to send me pictures of ugly squishies that you found online that I can make over because I'm pretty proud of what I did. I want to do more of these. And a huge shout out to my Wengification squad of the week and my WengieCon of the week. If you guys want to shout out yourself next week, don't forget to check the description box on how to basically turn on notifications, subscribe. Anyways, for behind the scenes, my social media, and until next week, I'm gonna miss you guys so much and I'll see you guys then. Bye guys, love you!